I was walking through the dark, ingazindlela. Heart heavy, so tired, ifuna ikhaya. Then you came like a prayer I didn't say. Ngabona kukhanya right there in your face. Every step that I took, every wrong turn was sharpening my heart, was making me learn. Kanda kubono kukhala ngavuma. This ain't coincidence, umoya usetha yo.
Kandibamba isandla sakho ndiyazola, zonke inhlungu zami ziyaphela. They can talk, they can doubt, but ngiyazi what we have is deeper than the eyes can see.
Kubhaliwe, wena nothando lwami ezinkwenkwezini. Before sazalwa ndiyakuthanda, ngenhliziyo yami ayisosiqhibo, sisipho sikaThixo sami.
Kubhaliwe, akukho bani wasikekeza, kama umoya uthetha, siyamamela. Kubhaliwe, ngiyazi kakuhle, besimisewe, me and you
Forever. Hey, Kubhaliwe. Yeah, umoya lo. Even when the rain falls hard on us, ngizakuma nawe and I won't give up. If the world turns cold, turns its back, you're my home girl, ngibuyela pho. Abantu bayathintsha, uthando luyoyika, but ethu ayidlali, iyazimela. You see my scars, you don't run away. You touch my soul in a spiritual way.
Ubomi bundivavanya ndiyakwetha, thandilahleka wena uyandikhokhela. This love is calm, this love is true. Ndiyabona uThixo kuyo yonke into yethu.
Kubhaliwe, wena nothando lwami ezinkwenkwezini. Before sazalwa ndikuthanda, ngenhliziyo yami ayisosiqhibo, sisipho sikaThixo sami.
Kubhaliwe, akukho bani wasikekeza, kama umoya uthetha, siyamamela. Khandimewe, ngiyazi kakuhle, besimisewe, me and you forever. Ndiyakuthanda. Yeah. If loving you is my only prayer, makuphendulwe ndilindile.
Even in silence, ndiyakuva, this love is holy. Ayidlali.